Project 10, the 1500 claims form, be taking again this information and converting it over into our 1500 form. It's a lot of information on here that needs to be filled out. So again, we're doing this for the Roberta vendor and taking that information and we're going to put it over onto this 1500 form. So at the very top here, we're going to do a group health plan, which needs to be checked there. And then this is going to be the insured's number. So again, we're just taking this information again from over here and converting it over onto that form. Roberta's information is going to go here. The patient's date of birth, relationship is of course herself, and she is the insured. So that will be her information that goes in there. Their policy number is going to go here, which you can find that information over here, insured's information, policy number, her demographics, phone number, date of birth, social security number, and so on there. And then we'll make sure that we put what type of insurance that they have, and she didn't have another benefit plan listed, so we're going to just check no on there. And then where you see on this line here where it says SOF, that just stands for signature on file, and you use today's date, and then again signatures on file for box number 15, it looks like there. And it'll tell you over here that this signature is on file, where it says right here, signature on file, yes. And then you would just use today's date. Our coding part of it, this is where you're going to put your diagnostic codes in here, need to be listed and then also here, and just use today's date for the date of service and issue date, and then you'll use these codes listed beside here, and then the fees that are associated with that to fill this bottom part out there. Okay, this NPI number here is going to be the physician's NPI number. That's going to be very important that we're associating it with that doctor. So every one of these codes is going to be associated with that NPI number. So it's just repeating his NPI number over because he's the one that's charging for those services there. Okay. So again, let's go over here. He does have a federal tax ID number listed as well. So down here, the federal tax ID number will be listed there. The patient's account number will be there. And then we're going to go through, we're going to add those charges up again, and then we're going to minus that $20 copay that they had to get our final amount on there. Okay. I know this is a lot of information on this one form, just to help get you guys used to filling it out. Try your best on here. I hope that this video helps, and once we're back in class, we'll go over it some more.